Forming schools of the December 2025 Physical Therapy Licensure Exam. Let's start at number 8 with a passing rate of 80.7% from the San Pedro College, Davao City, represented by Arle D. Segovia, PTRP, Clinical Coordinator, Physical Therapy.
Mag-ano siya, pag-welcome in time, pag umalang ko,
At number 7, from the Far Eastern University Nicanor Reyes Medical Foundation, with a passing rate of 82.93, we have Dean Patrick Joseph Bonevi and Sir Juan Miguel Reyes. At number 6, the Cebu Doctors University with a passing rate of 84.91%, represented by Shara Cherise Wong, Chairperson, Department of Physical Therapy. At number 5, De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute with a passing rate of 86.21%, represented by Dr. Natalicia Pagtakan, Program Director of the Physical Therapy Department, and Associate Professor Mary Angelica Legaspi. At fourth place, with a passing rate of 91.76%, who unfortunately cannot make it this afternoon, we have the Vélez College.
With a percentage pass of 94.55%, we have Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila, represented by Dr. Neil Edward Manuelos, Dean, and Mr. Davidson Hernando, Associate.
So our apologies. Actually, that was Vélez, the representative of Vélez University.
Congratulations, sir. Okay, at number 2, with an average of 97.30%, we have Silliman University, represented by Dr. Paulo Manuel G. Jimenez, Director of Institute of Rehabilitative Sciences. And at number 1, with an average of 97.98%, University of Santo Tomas, represented by Professor Donald Mandapaz, Acting Dean College of Rehabilitation Sciences, and Assistant Professor Christine Rose Mercedes, Chairperson, Department of Physical Therapy.
Let's give another warm round of applause to the top performing schools of December 2025 Physical Therapy Licensure Exam.